One day, a man sees a bird near his window. The man thinks that maybe the bird is hungry, so he goes to give the bird some meat. But the bird gets afraid and runs away. Next day, the bird comes again and starts to fight with the man's cat. Then the man goes and gives the bird some meat. But again the bird flies away, and then comes again, and then flies again. So the man puts a piece of meat near the window, and also some water beside it. From that day, every day the bird comes, and every day the man feeds the bird. Time passes, and the bird is no longer afraid of the man. The bird comes on the man's hand, and eats the meat from his hand. And one day, the bird gives its feather to the man, as a gift for their bond.